Okay, I got this one all done. I dried it off, but I'm gonna let it dry a little bit more, and that's a good thing. Just do one, the sanding, like I just showed you with the 2 sanding discs, wipe it all off, let this one dry as you're doing this one. That way when you get into this next step, when we use this drill bit tool, okay, once you do one, you're still going to have some residue of the other one on here. Then you can go over here and do that next one. Same thing when you get ready to seal it. After that, you can use your sealer and your little applicator. When you get done with that, you can come over here and do that one. And it's just going to give me a slight little breather. I'm going to read the directions a little bit more closely for this next step. Look how small this writing is. Good Lord. I'm going to have to get a magnifying glass out here to read it. Almost. I'm going to have to squint for sure. Okay. And I'll get my drill hooked up, and I'm glad I've got the cord type drill. And I'll get my extension cord out and all that kind of good stuff. And we're going to get going on this one next. Okay, my battery says I have 10 minutes, so I should be able to put this first coat on here. Okay, I've got that on there. It said to put a nickel size on and do a little bit at a time. So, have I done this before? Never. I never have. Okay. Just showing you, if I can do it, of course you can do it. Okay. The reason why you're going to use a big drill like this is so that the RPMs go faster than a battery operated drill. It says to get it on there flat, and then you can kind of use towards the angle but not the very edge up against there. And I can see why I should have put masking tape on here first, but I didn't. It says just to do a small amount at a time. Okay, and I think I'm gonna get just a little bit more up here to begin with. I can see this stuff may only last for a couple lenses. What we're doing is just making it, we're buffing out all of the sanding marks we got on there now. Because I haven't used this before, I'm getting all kinds of lint coming off of this thing. Okay, then it says to take your microfiber rag and wipe off the excess, okay, and just do small areas at a time. And I can already see that there's a difference. Let's get you over here. See how much clearer it is over here? I mean, this is how they looked before, mind you, but we've already sanded them twice, and it's meant to be uniform like that. And now I'm just going to keep buffing it out like that. See there? It almost, I say almost, looks like I know what I'm doing. And hey, I always say, if I can do it, you can do it. I'm never going to post anything on my channel I think you can't do. Okay? Which means anything on my channel you see where I show you stuff, I think you can do it too. See, if you put it on flat, there's only so much you can do, and if you kind of do it at a slight angle, you're getting it a little bit tighter in there. You know what I mean? Okay. They say a quarter amount at a time, just so I guess it doesn't spit all over the place. I think I'll put it on slow right now until I get it kind of saturated where I want. Then I can go faster, right? And you know what I should have? I probably should have goggles on. I think I have some over there. I think I'm going to get them, so stuff doesn't fly up in my eyeballs. Here they are, and I've got ear protectant on. If you have earplugs, you can do that. But I just got toilet paper. I put that in my ears. Give it another wipe here. Go some more. That should be enough for the rest, I'm thinking. Let's get you situated over here so I can kind of bend down a little bit. Looks a lot better already. A lot better already. Okay. And I don't really think I'm going to need to do it any more than that on that light. Okay. Okay, let's just take a look at what we have so far. Look how nice that looks so far. And here's the other one. Granted, I just sanded it, but it almost pretty much looked like this from before, didn't it? Before I even started. How it's discolorated, the discoloration on there. When you look back here, it's just kind of foggy. But when you look at this one, look how much cleaner it is and clearer. Because all we're doing is we're etching the top edge of that lens. Okay? All right, so now what am I going to do? Before I get into this sealer, and because I've got this pad, I've got stuff on there, and it's all juiced up and ready to go for my other one, I'm going to go ahead and do this one. The same thing I did with that. And I'll be right back to show you what it looks like up till now.